Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gracie's Hot Stuff. So test mic, oops. So I'm gonna put this microphone a little bit further away. So this is the microphone test. It's a wireless voice amplifier from Soundtech Electronics. So it has a Bluetooth function, FM radio. You can also sing like a karaoke. It has a microphone function. You can use any USB or micro SD card or memory card. You can also record voice or music, and it's UHF function, ultra high frequency if I'm not wrong, and it also have a auxiliary in. I'm so surprised. This speaker is amazingly loud.
U-disc display. Card display. Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gracie's Hot Stuff. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on your notifications button so you will be updated with my upcoming video. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!